Imagine this, over 300 million people are already cashing in through affiliate marketing. And guess what? Some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs have got their start this way. Look at Michelle and Pat Flynn, who makes over thousands of dollars per month through affiliate marketing on their blog. It's happening now, and you can be part of it too. The game is simple. Be a part of Amazon affiliate program, market your links, people buy and you win. Sounds easy, right? But the second one is where the real pain starts. Delivering the link to the public and guiding them to click requires some hard homework. But not anymore. I am here with an automation that will let you have the list of top selling items in Amazon and auto generate their affiliate links and automated marketing through posts and blogs. Exciting, right? Using this system, you will have an automation that consistently promotes your affiliate, generate huge revenue for you, and as usual with no effort or time. So why to wait? Let's get into the action. As usual, we have built this simple workflow to boost your affiliate marketing using a platform known as Make. Make is so strong and powerful that it integrates with 1,000+ applications. And if you're new to Make, don't worry guys. Again, we have provided our magic link in description where you can start it for free with 10,000 operations for a month. So let's go in detail to our scenario. This workflow is divided in 3 stages. In first stage, we are getting the top selling items in Amazon based on desired category. And then in second stage, we are generating the content for LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram using the OpenAI brain. And finally, in third stage, we are posting these content to the desired social media platforms. So let's go in detail across each modules. So you can see that in the first stage, as I said, we are grabbing the top selling items in Amazon. To do so, we are using a platform known as Rapid API. So in Rapid API, you can search for real-time Amazon data. So once you search for it, you can subscribe to the test event and get an API key. Yeah, so you can see that the basic plan comes with 0 cost and there is a pro plan as well. You can choose the plan based on your need. So I'm just going to click subscribe to test and I can see the plan. So I'm going to start with free plan. So just subscribe to the free plan to get the API key. Yeah, so we got the subscription confirmed and let's go in detail. So you can see we got an API key and the header parameter for the API key. And then if you go to headers, we can see the host key name and the host value as well. So we need to put these values in Make platform, right? So let's go in detail. So if we go to the Make platform, in the first module, we are getting the best seller. If you go to Rapid API, under the deals and best sellers, you can see the best seller code. So it's very simple. So here, grab the API key, header information, and the parameters and input this in Make platform. So for that we use the HTTP module, make a request. So you can see the make a request module. Just use this module, yeah, and then you can feed the information. So let's see what information we are feeding. So once you open, you can see we have to pass the URL. So you can see in Rapid API, if you go here, you can see the sample URL is already provided here. Yeah, so you can pass the main URL up to bestseller. Yeah, so just provide this URL in Make and use the method get. You can see the method as well here, get. I'll just zoom in so you can see get method. Then you need to provide the headers here. So we have 2 headers, one for the host and second for the API key. So you can find the header here. So if you go to the code snippet, you can copy the first key and the value, and similarly the second key and the value is provided here. So the same value or the key value you can find under the app section. Yeah, and let's come back. We have different parameters now to provide in the HTTP call. So these parameters can be found under the parameter section. So you can see here. So we need to provide category. Say you are looking for best selling product in software niche. So you have to provide the category as software, or you want to specify a subcategory, then you can provide accordingly. It's very easy to find the category. So just copy the Amazon link which is given as an example here and open the Amazon website. So you can see under software different categories: accounting, finance, antivirus, security, business and office. So just select one, or just you can generally provide software as well. So I'm providing business and office. So you can see it goes with a category ID 229535. See this? So we need to provide under Rapid API, they have given this section, right? So software slash 229535. So we can provide the subcategory as per our requirement. So if I select a different category, say children's software, so you can see it goes with 229548. So as per the category or subcategory, you need to modify your category part in the HTTP module. So that's about category. In our case, we have selected the category home garden. Yeah. And then going further, we have option to provide type as bestseller. So obviously, as we discussed, we have provided the type as bestsellers. And you can see we can also provide gift ideas, most wished for, new releases, etc. So we have provided the type as bestsellers, and then we are providing the page as 1. So it will give the page 1 result, which will generally contain 50 result. And then we have provided the country as US. So you can see we had these option like country, which is by default US. And then we have different allowed countries as well. Yeah. So let's go and run this module to see the result. It's running. Okay, so we have the result here. Status code is 200. That means it has run successfully. And in bestseller, the top one, you can see rank 1 goes for a Stanley Quencher, a tumbler. Yeah, so let me open the product and let's see how the product looks. Yeah, so this is a product. You can see it's #1 bestseller. Yeah, so that's what we want. We just grab the bestseller and produce the post in LinkedIn or social media and get more clicks and purchases in our affiliate link. Yeah, so let's go back. So that is about getting the bestseller. Now we want to get more details about the product to get the image, because this does not have the information about the image, right? So we don't have anything about the image. So we are using one more call, that is get product details. So you can find under Rapid API a new call. See here. So it is like same URL, base URL with /product details. So that you can find under product detail call here. So let's use another HTTP module, pass the get product details, and then you need to pass the header. So with the same method, you can see the method is get, and you can pass this call, right, and you need to pass the headers as explained in the previous module. And we are providing a couple of extra parameters, that is ASIN number, that is a product number, and the country code as well. So copy the entire URL, pass here. You can find the product number from the previous run module result. So just type ASIN. So you can find here the ASIN value, and you are going to map in ASIN parameter. See, so just copy this entire URL and replace the product code from the previous module, and as I mentioned, provide the header as per the previous module. Yeah, so that's all. So let's run it again with the first top #1 value, or the #1 product. So let's go and run. So you can see the result here. So we have more details about that same product, and we have the product URL, product photo. So we are using another module in HTTP section, that is get a file. So that will grab the file detail in a buffer format. So just use get a file and map here the product photo. So just search photos. So you can find the photos and map this URL. So I'll just show you. Just select this product photo, and then we have the image ready. So we have completed the first stage, right? Now let's go to the second stage. So in second stage, we have connected a router under the flow control. So you can find the router here, and then we are directing to LinkedIn and then Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. For each social media platform, we are generating the content using an assistant. So I'll show you the assistant created under our OpenAI profile. So let's go to the OpenAI profile. Here under assistants, we have created separate assistants for LinkedIn, Facebook, X, similarly for Instagram. So you can see this is one sample we created for LinkedIn bot, and just expanding the system of instruction, you can see you are a LinkedIn expert, tasked with creating professional and engaging LinkedIn posts, and there should be an introduction, body, call to action, tone and style has been provided, and we have requested to add hashtag and mentions, right? So this is how we have to give a set of instruction. Similarly, we have created another assistant for Facebook as well. So you can see Facebook board. So it's simple. So as per the Facebook request or requirement, you can modify the system instruction. So you need to follow the same for X platform, Instagram, or any other platform like Reddit as well. Yeah, so just create this assistant, and then let's go back to make. Here we are using the OpenAI brain message and assistant. So just type message and assistant. Here in message and assistant module, specifically for LinkedIn, we need to select the right assistant. So you can see I have selected LinkedIn bot user, and then I provided a content where I mentioned make the content simple, precise, short, and then I provided the product title from the previous module, and I have provided an information or request to include this affiliate link with the content for purchasing that product. This is very important, guys. So it's simple. Let's go to the Amazon Associates. So I hope you are part of this Amazon affiliate program, or you can sign up easily. So there you can find a store ID, right? So there is a store ID. So just copy your store ID, and you need to provide this store ID as a tag with a reference that is fixed, right? So you can entirely copy this, and it will be concatenated to the product URL. So product URL you can find by searching URL. So you can see the product URL here. So just map the product URL and map the reference value. You can see it is no sim, and then tag equal to the store value. So once this is provided, press OK, and then connect our LinkedIn module. So you can see under LinkedIn, so you can post an user image post or an organizational post as well. So you can see create. So if you go to create, so there is create an organization post or user post. So I have selected user post. Here you can see, let it open. You can see I have mapped the product image from the previous module. So if I click map, you can see it is mapped from the module number 38, that is get images module. So and then we are mapping the content from the OpenAI module corresponding to the LinkedIn assistant. So just you need to select the result value. So that's all, and then select the visibility if you want to be visible for public or connections accordingly, and then our LinkedIn publishing is ready. Similarly for Facebook, X, and then Instagram, you can use the same module message and assistant. Under message and assistant, you need to change only the assistant name. So here in case of Facebook, select the Facebook bot, and the user is exactly same. Provide the product URL with store, yeah. And then here the difference is we are connecting the Facebook page module. So under Facebook page, if you go to the app section, type Facebook page, you can see under Facebook pages, you can see create a post with photos. So select that, create a post with photos, and then select the corresponding page where you want to publish it, and then select the option under the photos whether you want to upload a photo or download photo from URL, and map the photo downloaded, and select the result value from the OpenAI under the message section, yeah. And in case of Twitter, it's simple. You can use the Twitter module. Let me type X. You can see the module upload a media. So yeah, so here there is one important thing. You cannot find upload a media here right away. So you need to change the version to V5 and then choose upload a media. So choose this V5 version, upload a media, And under upload a media, it's simple. You need to select the type, that is image, and then select the attachment, again that is from the previous module 38, right? Get a file. So it will be auto selected by default. And then under H, the new version, the v6 version, you can find this module create a post. So I'm just showing that create a post. So you can see create a post. So just select this, and under that you need to map the test content. Again, always the content is from OpenAI, and then map the media ID. So you can see the media ID is coming from Twitter itself. Just map it. That is the output from upload a media. So use that media ID to map here. And finally, for Instagram, you have to use the Instagram module, create a photo. So under Instagram for business, you can see here, create a photo post. So use that module. And under that as well, you can select the page, the photo URL. You can map it from the first module. Yeah, so the photo URL is provided within the get images. The same variable you need to select under the Instagram, because it is looking for a URL, unlike Facebook or X, right, or LinkedIn. Here we are specifically looking for the URL. So you need to search for the URL and select the product photo. Let me select the photo. Yeah, so that comes under the product photo section. So map that variable, and under the caption or message or assistant or the content, map the result from the OpenAI. So we are all good here in the setup with all three stages. Now let's go to the demo. I'm going to run for LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. So let me enable these routes. Yeah, and let's run this. I'm going to click on run once. Yeah, let's see the result. So the LinkedIn's message and assistant module is running, and we need to go to the LinkedIn to see the result once it is posted. And the interesting part is the product image is also carried, right? So you can see the OpenAI has given the content with the affiliate link. So you can see the affiliate link here. Yeah, and it has been posted to LinkedIn. So let's go to LinkedIn. Here let me go to the post. Yeah, oh okay, I can see the post here, just posted now. Hydration meets innovation, introducing Stanley Quencher H2O tumbler. You can see the cool product image is there, and we have the link as well. So let's go to the link. Yeah, so this is a link, right? So that comes with the store tag as well. Now let's test out this affiliate link generated. So just copy this entire link. Yeah, so I'm just copying this link. So let me see. Okay, it's copied now. Let's go to the Amazon Associates link checker. So you can see the link checker here. So paste it and click check link. So it's checking. You can see the link tags to a valid tag or sub tag for your associate ID. So this link is valid for our promotion. So that's how this link is generated and posted in LinkedIn. Now let's see the post generated in Facebook and Instagram page as well. So I believe it would have been generated in Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, you can see the run is successful. Yeah, so here also the run is successful. Let's go to the Facebook page. Okay, you can see here just 2 minutes ago it is posted. Ready to upgrade your hydration game, meet the Stanley Quencher tumbler, right? And you can see the affiliate link is also here with all the hashtags. And what color are you picking? Comment below and let's make the hydration fun together. Cool, right? With the product image. Yeah, so this looks very nice to me, and definitely this should give you best result, right? So now let's go to the Instagram as well. Okay, I can see here I just posted 3 minutes ago. Ready to elevate your hydration game, discover the Stanley Quencher tumbler. See, the content is modified as per the social media platform, and obviously you can again optimize it by tweaking the assistant as I shown in the OpenAI, and this is having the hashtags and everything. Yeah, cool, right? So this automation is going to be a game changer to boost and elevate your affiliate marketing. And that's how you create a powerful automation that takes your affiliate marketing to the next level. Simply follow the steps and start automating today. Also, stay connected for more insights and check our Skool community for more exclusive content on AI automation, blueprints, community bonus apps, and much more. So I'll drop a link below for your reference. So keep checking and stay connected. And that's it for now. See you soon with another automation chapter.